305 the Royal Palms. Got quite a nice knocker thing on the door there. I'll take you on a tour of the room, so you can see when you come in there's some wardrobes here, plenty of hanging space. There's a safe in there behind the mirror, and you've got tea and coffee in there. There's some spirits in there which are chargeable, and then there's in the cupboard below there's also the mini fridge. The drinks in there I think are chargeable as well. You do get free water though. So come in the bathroom. There's a nice walk-in shower with a rain shower head. Pretty standard bathroom. There is some kind of glass there to the bedroom area, but luckily there's a shutter that you can block that off with. Not all the rooms actually have a walk-in shower. Some of the rooms actually have a shower over the bath, so if you want a walk-in shower you need to request it. There's quite a bit of space here to put suitcases on, which is pretty handy. You see, it's actually a very spacious room, probably one of the most spacious rooms we've had on holiday. You've got your usual bedside tables. There's a few nice kind of features in here, so they've got a bit of character. So there's this thing over the bed, looks like a sort of shuttered window, but it's just it's obviously just a feature. There's some kind of a clothes rack there. You've got a couple of chairs and a table. There's a modest sized TV. You see there's plenty of wood. It definitely has a sort of feel of Sri Lanka here. It's not just some generic hotel. Interesting light fitting as well there. So you can see it's a pretty spacious room. We've been getting a bit of towel art each day from the room boy. So I think that's an elephant or something. We'll go onto the patio, into the balcony. I believe that all the rooms here are actually sea view. We can sort of see the sea from here, but it's a little bit obscured from by the vegetation. And then we've got a view of the pool as well down there. And you can see other parts of the hotel there with the room blocks. Straight ahead there, that's the restaurant down there, and then I think that's the lobby above it. Move over here, you can see a little bit better through there. Try and zoom in. There we go. Zoom out again. So all in all, it's pretty good outlook from the room. A little bit of coconuts in that tree as well. So there we go, a sea view room at the Royal Palms.